Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this one that is about a to the power of b. So b that is about number 2, a that is about s. We need to transform this one into this one, and we have number 2 f and s. Next, s squared divided by s, we have s. So the integration of s, we have s squared over number 2. Now we need to consider on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. The integration of 2u, we have u squared about u, that is about f and s. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.